How to fix Apple Pay not working on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, restart phone. So click power button and volume down button at the time. You will see slide to power off phone. You will see, so just click and hold on power button. You will see few seconds later Apple logo is showing on screen. So you will see, so after the process phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here you will see second option is software update. So click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen, refresh phone. You will check your problem is solved. So if it still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to end and click on transfer or reset iPhone. So click on reset all settings, enter passcode and again enter passcode. So click on reset all setting. So it's just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Apple Pay not working on iOS 26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.